Hey guys, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about our Oculus Quest 2. Talk about an amazing system. So I was a little hesitant at first to buy something like this, but wow, is it awesome. So this is a completely independent unit. You don't need any other gaming systems to be able to use this. So this is a virtual reality system. You put this on and adjust it, and it brings you to a whole other world. So depending what you use it for, you can use this for fitness. There's different boxing games or hip hop or all kinds of fun stuff that you can do for fitness. We like to use it with Google Earth. It's really fun to travel the world, go all over. There are all kinds of different games you can buy. You can also connect with other friends on here. It's great for the whole family. It doesn't come with a system, so technically you can't see what the person is seeing, but my husband has the Oculus app on his phone and he screen shares to our smart TV so we can all be in on the fun. It's rechargeable, so you just plug it in and you're ready to go again. Very comfortable to wear. It has an adjustable head strap, so depending who's using it, it can adjust to any head size. It's got a really nice comfortable rubber area around the face, so it doesn't hurt. The sound comes right out of the unit too, so it's like a surround sound that you're wearing. People around you can hear it, but you can also put it quite low so that it doesn't disturb anyone. So if you're looking for a virtual reality experience, I cannot recommend the Oculus Quest 2 enough. We are so thrilled with it. Everybody loves it, and I know you will too, and that's my point of view.